When your office computer crashes or your network fails, what's your next move? Like most people, you probably end up in one of two situations. You either spend hours trying to troubleshoot the issue yourself or call an IT technician who always seems to take forever to respond. Now imagine a world where your computers just work. With managed IT services from Solve, they can. At Solve, we provide IT support that's vastly different from the outdated methods you may be familiar with. Traditional IT support often follows something known as the break-fix model. When something breaks, you reach out for help, and the technician comes to repair it. While that may sound simple, there are a few major downsides to this approach. First, it's completely reactive. Problems are only addressed after they've already disrupted your work. Second, there's no preventative maintenance. It's like never taking your car for regular servicing and then being shocked when it suddenly breaks down. Finally, it's usually pay as you go, meaning every time something goes wrong, you receive yet another bill. To cut costs, you might try to fix IT issues yourself, wasting valuable time that could be spent growing your business. Managed IT services, however, take a proactive approach. At Solve, we continuously monitor your systems 24/7. This allows us to identify and resolve potential issues before they snowball into major disruptions. We also carry out regular maintenance to ensure your systems are up to date and operating smoothly, which greatly reduces the risk of unexpected failures. Think of us as your dedicated IT department. We minimize downtime, keep your technology running efficiently, and if any issues arise, we resolve them promptly and effectively. Here's an analogy to make the difference clear. The break-fix model is like calling for a tow truck when your car breaks down. Sure, it eventually gets fixed, but you're left stranded on the roadside, frustrated and waiting. Managed IT services, on the other hand, are like having a mechanic riding with you. We monitor the dashboard, handle regular maintenance like oil changes, and ensure everything is running optimally. And if a problem does happen, we're right there to get you back on the road quickly. If you want the confidence and peace of mind that comes from having a skilled IT team supporting your business, give Solve a call today.